Okay guys, today I'm actually going to do a Slimetime storytime session. I'm going to tell the stories. Some of them may be true, some of them might not be true, but we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. So, starting with story number 1 with Sophia. Anyway, guys, my life is a disaster. And is it my fault? So, I had this little baby sister born. She was so sassy that she got anything she wanted. My parents were scared of her. I wasn't scared of her. But guess what? My parents didn't care. They said, don't stand up to your sister. She's not doing anything wrong. Be like, or just say that because you don't want her to get mad at you. And then my little sister would be like, no, they're just saying that because it's truthful. And I kind of wanted to leave that family at that point because I was just like, also, guys, this isn't me telling the story. I'm just telling the story for the people who weren't brave enough to come up and tell me. So, yeah, I live in New Jersey, USA, and that's where I grew up. So, what happened was my little sister, sorry, my dad just came inside, was so, they said they couldn't hire a babysitter and that I had to babysit her. You know what happened? One day, they came home to all of the family's china broken. All of it broken. And I was locked in the bathroom by my little sister. I was just going to the bathroom because I needed to go. And my little sister, because the lock's on the outside, decided to lock me in so she could do whatever she wanted. And I was like, sis. And you know what happened? She didn't answer. No, sirree, she did not answer. So yeah, I have that. So yeah, my parents was like, oh, why you put yourself in the bathroom? And I was like, the lock's on the outside. And then I was like, but having little siblings are hard. Especially when your parents are too scared to blame it on the person who did it. Well, I had enough of that family. My life at school was good though. All my friends were with me. I was just a popular kid. And one of my friends asked, hey, can I come home with you? And I was like, let me ask my mom. So, I called her during school. I know, so bad, right? I called her, and she was like, sure, she can come over. And I asked, what about little sis? And then my friend was like, ooh, you have a little sister? Great. And I said, she doesn't behave well. And then my friend was like, she will soon. So I was like, what do you mean? And she was just like, you'll see. So when she came over, my sister had the idea to pour glue in her hair. And this was my best friend. And I knew she did not tolerate with it. Not mess. Not anything wrong with her. She was one of those clean girls. And I knew I had had my friendship ruined because of my little sister. But she called my little sister in the act and she said, what you doing, naughty little girl? And then my sister was like, I'm not naughty, you are. And then my friend was like, then why are you the one dumping glue in my hair? And then the other sister was like, I'm not. I'm clumsy. I'm carrying a big cup of glue. And I thought I could balance it on her head. And my sister was like, you try laughing at me? You get yourself in bigger trouble by your pay. My parents favor me. I don't favor you. They're just scared of you. What? My sister started tearing up. No, they love me. And then I was like starting to get the hang of what she was doing. I was like, sure they do. But don't ask what happens when you ruined my life. And my little sister was like, I didn't ruin your life. I was like, yeah, you do. You broke the china and Mom blamed it on me. I didn't break the china. That was the dog. You locked me in the bathroom. That was because you were being bossy. And you always try to act so innocent. Because I am. I don't get what's the big deal. You're a naughty child. And Mom and Dad are just too scared to admit it. And then my sister ran off crying, asking if that was true. And then since she was crying, and my parents never have seen her crying, they said yes. Like I accepted my parents to say, sometimes, a little, oh no, sweetie, they're just being mean. But no, she full on said, yeah, she's true. It's very, very true. And I was like, whoa. So yeah, that's the story for you today. Bye.